Ever wondered how to turn digital coins into real-world gold? You're not alone. Welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency trading, where fortunes are made and lost with the click of a button. In this chaotic digital marketplace, the rules are simple. Buy low, sell high, sounds easy, right? But here's the rub. Knowing when to buy and when to sell is where the magic happens. So how do you do it? Research is your best friend. Stay informed about market trends, because knowledge is power. Platforms like CoinMarketCap and CryptoCompare can be your guiding stars in this vast crypto universe. But remember, the crypto journey is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about making smart decisions, not quick ones. Don't be swayed by market hype, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the next big thing, remember, the crypto world is not for the faint-hearted. It's a thrilling roller coaster ride that can take you to the moon or plunge you into the abyss. So are you ready to take the plunge? Begin your crypto journey today and watch your digital dreams come true. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such insightful content. Welcome to the future of trading. Welcome to the crypto universe.